Hey, what's going on, guys? Incredible Funk here. Today we'll be unboxing the JBL E65 noise cancellation Bluetooth headset. Let's get to it. Let's get that trusty knife. Ooh. As we drop stuff. Not bad. Upon opening the box, you can already see the headset. So we'll actually get those out right now and set them off to the side. Let's take this out. There's nothing really to that. Alright, let's see what we got in this first box. You've got an orange micro USB cable for charging the headset. Definitely not gonna be able to lose this because this might be the only orange cable you have. You have the auxiliary cable, which has a 3-button control on it for play, pause, skip, song, rewind song. One end is gonna be 2.5 millimeters and the other end is gonna be 3.5 millimeters. So if you guys do end up losing this, you are gonna have to contact JBL and ask and see if you can get another one from them. Next up is the user manual. Always struggle with this. Important, don't skip it. Another important, don't skip that one. You also have the quick starter guide, which will give you information as to how to pair it with your device and the controls on the headset. Last thing in the box is this nice pouch. I actually like this. So if you are going to be carrying your headset in your backpack or a suitcase or anything, you can put it in this pouch so it doesn't get damaged. JBL's got their own logo on here. It looks pretty nice. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the box. So let's get to the headset. Taking it out of the box, it already seems pretty stiff. Putting it over ear. It's pretty clamped down to my head. It's actually pretty nice. I can't move it. Doesn't move as much. So, if you are one to work out, these might actually work out for you. I'm not entirely sure what material JBL used for the band, and considering that there isn't a lot of cushion, it may not be as comfortable as you think, but just feeling the earmuffs, these are actually pretty comfortable, and when I had them on my head, there's just a lot of cushion to it. At the bottom of the left side is a micro USB port so you can charge the headset. The other bottom is going to be the 2.5 millimeter jack for the cable. You also have your Bluetooth button. Underneath the Bluetooth button is your active noise cancellation. So with that active noise cancellation, with it on you will get up to 15 hours of battery life. With it off you will get up to 24. On the front of the left side of the headset is the power slider. Slide it on and it automatically starts going into Bluetooth mode. So from your phone you'll pretty much just go pairing it right there. Underneath that is your volume rocker, so you got volume up on top, volume down on the bottom, and in between the volume rocker is your play, pause, and answer call and end call button. Now let's put these on and listen to some music. When putting on the headset, the slider does kind of come out a little bit, so that may end up causing an issue for some people, especially if you had it set at a certain level, but you know, you can easily fix that. It's not too tight around the neck either. Kind of like this. Walking around showing off your JBL headset. So I finally got the headset paired up with my phone, so let's go ahead and try some music out. So upon first impressions, the lows are actually pretty good. They remind me of my Logitech G Pro gaming headset. Now I know those were specifically set for gaming, but they can also be used just for everyday usage. Continuing on, the mids are pretty good. The highs are also up there too. I have no complaints so far, but of course I'm going to continue to listen to different songs and see how well the headset does. It probably won't work as well as I want it to, but curious to know if you guys can hear this. The headset can also be used to make phone calls. I don't necessarily recommend it since there is only one mic, which is going to be at the bottom of the earmuff. So people that you are talking to on the other end may end up hearing everyone else around you, but go ahead and try it out for yourself. That's it for today's unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be that cool guy or girl to leave a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. If you also want to be notified on any of my other videos that come out, hit that bell icon. Otherwise, you guys know the drill. Stay incredible.